Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering proof: receipt, card statement, or order confirmation. This matters because stores verify purchases before deactivating tags. Once done, contact the retailer's customer service or go to the store counter and explain the situation calmly. Make sure to show the proof. Staff can verify the sale, locate a manager, and remove the tag safely. You should avoid manipulating the device yourself. Not only could you damage the shoes, but you may also trigger alarms or void return rights. You remain at the service desk while staff confirm purchase details because the store's detacher is the correct tool for release. Once the employee attempts removal, they may escalate to a manager if the tag is stubborn. This is standard procedure and helps protect both you and the retailer. Make sure to stay cooperative. If needed, provide additional ID or proof. You should also ask for a supervisor note or receipt stamp confirming the tag was removed, in case any follow-up is necessary. You finish by documenting the outcome. Get a written note from the manager or a reference number for the incident, because this provides evidence if the issue persists. Once done, follow up with the retailer's corporate customer service or returns team via email or phone and include photos and copies of receipts. If resolution fails, make sure to contact your local consumer protection agency or file a complaint. This protects your rights without resorting to unsafe or illegal methods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.